make turkey schnitzel. Alright, so you're going to need a clean turkey breast and a knife. And you're also going to need a large soup can that weighs a lot like this and a Ziploc bag. You're going to need a turkey cut 6 ways crosswise like this. Like that! Piece at a time and put it on your plastic and cover it. Like this. Sis, hand me the ham. Now beat it with the can and get it a 1/4 inch thick like these. And now it's time to cook. Hi boys, so you have your turkey, your flour, your egg wash, your breadcrumbs, and your rack in your hot oil pan at 300 degrees. 350 degrees. You always got to make sure your turkey's seasoned before you put it in your breading. You're going to put it in your seasoned flour. You got to put it in, flip it, shake it off, put in more, shake it off, flip it, shake it off, dip it into your egg wash. 1, 2, gotta strip that off, and then you put in your breadcrumbs. 1, 2, and then you put it on your cooling rack, like that. I'm gonna show you one more time in case you guys didn't get it. So you take your turkey, put in the flour, flip it, shake it off, put in your egg wash, flip it over, shake it off, put in your breadcrumbs, flip it over, and you can do it 2 more times if you like the breadcrumbs. And now you set it on the drying rack. Now it's time to cook. We need to put each one of these in the oil until they're golden brown and delicious on each side. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do more. Until you have all of them in the pan, and then you're going to let them cook. You know they're ready to flip when they're golden brown and delicious like this. You know, you take them out when they're golden brown delicious like this, and you take them out and put it on the cooling rack for 5 minutes. It's time to plate. Now we take our schnitzel and barely put it on the mashed potatoes like this, and then we get a scoop of our sauce like this, and then we drizzle it over both of them, and then we get our herbs, add a little bit of parsley, a little bit more, and then you add your thyme, and then your lemon wedge. And now for the last thing, we're going to add our nice little pile of coleslaw right here. Voila! And pay extra attention. So, you take your turkey and put it on there like that. And take a little bit time. Oh. You put your sauce on. Put it on that. Grab this. Grab your thyme. Grab some parsley. And the last thing is your coleslaw. Right there. And now your lemon vest. Right here. And voila! Put the lemon vest on this. Let's see how it tastes. I already squeezed my lemon on, but let's see how we did. Hopefully you guys liked our video. Maybe you can try this at home. See you guys soon! A lot of work to make a movie. I mean, look at all these dishes.